All right, it's Saturday, January 30th, weekend. Going over some stocks, do some more videos. I'm looking at a lot of these small caps. You know, a lot of them made a lot of big moves. We're going to try to see where they're going from here. Are they going to continue? Or are they going to pull back? The market looks like it's pulling back. Is that going to affect them too? Is the whole market going to sort of dive down? We'll see. Nothing's definite in the market, that's for sure. So let's start off with PHUN, Funware. Funware. What do they do exactly? They are technology software. Float 39 million. Income minus 19 million. Market cap 92 million. Sales 10 million. Uh, this is on. This came up on Funware. It said an overpriced market is nobody's friend. Says finance professor of GameStop Saga. Looking into Funware's return on capital employed. So I don't see nothing really newsworthy here. Headquartered in Austin, Texas, 2009. Cloud platform, mobile devices worldwide. All right, let's take a look at this here. A lot of these I've done probably 2 weeks ago, sort of like rounding up again to see what they're doing. Recap. Weekly, you can see this started way back in 2019. See the sideways move here. Very simple to read here. 175. And what was this line? 60 cent. Look at this. Back and forth. Big move down. See this? Just have a split. I don't see a split, but you see this tried to break this 175 last year. Again, double bottom. Again, now we're going up. Now we're getting oversold on the stochastics weekly. On the daily, let's take a look at the daily here. And this goes back this line, way back. So look at this 175 line. Came back all the way from 2020 April. Then we bounced up again. So this 175 line is very big. June they tried, pull back and it held this 1320 EMA. Tried again and pull back. So we have a double bottom here. Then look at the volume here. Really took off. Took off the 1 all the way to 3 plus. That's a big candle. You're breaking at 175. And then if we come back Monday, that's fine. As long as this 175 pulls back and holds, it becomes support. That's major support. That's what you want. Going on the 5-minute. It's broke out late day. Look at this. Late day move. So if we look a little wider here, this is the falling pattern. Waterfall just kept falling. So it touched this 3 line. It looks pretty big now. So you can put a line here right at 3. So it touched there back in the June move. See, a lot of these move too. It is like the market. Didn't the market pop in June and it pulled back a little bit? I'm not sure if this is going to be a big double top of the market. We pull back on a lot of these too. A lot of these penny stocks. You get the Wall Street bets. A lot going on with that. It's to be determined right now. We don't know what's going to happen next week. It seems like more craziness, which I'm guessing. All right, so this one, the 3 pull back right up here now. It's holding well because it happened after hours. So, if we break this 3, I'm trying to see, there's nothing really around here. And you go all these lines, you just go up and just go line to line, 350. Just look in your daily. Each line, I would say 50 cents in this because it's really moving pretty fast here. That was after hours, so we'll see if this holds. If this doesn't hold, it could pull back with this range here. So make sure you look at 175 to hold on this. So that is fun. Here's LMFA, 14 million float, market cap 30 million, income minus 5 million, sales 1.6 million. Lending Funding America announces Silcox replaces Traber of board of directors. This thing shot up. Day before announced closing 103 million upsize initial public offering. So in the monthly on this, see it had the split, went down. See a lot of these monthly too charts. See this? They're getting big move on these candles with volume, so they're looking kind of different here. Yeah, here's another one too, and this is probably all the money in the market too. There's so much money in the market right now trading, probably more than ever. So here's the 2 line. You can see that 2019 went back to the 50-cent line right here. Big move up in June, but it didn't hold again. This 2 line is very big on this. If we go back here, I could take this out now. So look at this 2 line. You have a gap here. So it's filling this gap from 350, or excuse me, 3. Take this all the way back. See this? So look at the 3 line right here. Move back April. Big move up in June. A lot of these stocks too, they look very similar. Like the big move in June, and they're having a big move now. They all look similar to that move. So we'll see if they hold. So here's the gap. June didn't hold. It came back from 3 line. To have this gap here, so that was a nice buy down here. A lot of these penny stocks you buy at the low. You don't know when they're going to move. It could be a week, could be a few months. But look how this, base for 4 months. You're like, this ain't making money. Then it explodes. Then you're like triple your money. So we're right here now at this 3 line. Then a pullback right here to the 20 EMA. That's what I thought. Remember I said probably in previous videos, watch the 1320 EMA hold and bounce. No volume down here. Look at this compared to this. Not no, but look at the volume up here, the high volume. And then on the days it's down. That's consolidation. That's telling me they're going to pump it again. If it was high red volume, that means it's going down. They're pushing it down. So, this got in between this 3, came back again to the 2 line. You want this 2 line to hold again, or else you come back to 150, and what are they going to do? Bounce it again? So, yes, it's very volatile. You're not getting like even a move up, like a slower move. These are very hard bounces. So you're going back and forth here, and I expect more volatility. Probably bounce between this ranges, 153. We'll see if that breaks through that 3 and can hold. If it breaks through 3 and can hold, then onward we go to the next levels in this. Let me just see here. FinViz, what's October? FinViz has a line here too. They have a line going that way. So they have like a broadening wedge line. There's so many ways you can do lines, but you can see where they're going here. GTE. Our GTE, 359 million float, higher float. Market cap 218 million. Income is minus 703 million. Sales 301 million. Announces 109 million Petro shares for 14.8 million. Announces a sale. Petrotel shares. Okay. Friday update regarding proposed sale. Blah blah blah. 31 million barrels of oil found at 2003, Calgary, Canada. Oil and gas properties, Colombia, Ecuador. This is another one that had to move here. You see this chart, it was up and down 2007, 8, 9, 13. You can draw a line right here. And this fell off like 2014. So you look at the volume down here. This is the most volume it's ever been. Could be because it's at its low. It's all-time low. But he's not going to buy at an all-time low. That makes sense. Let me just draw a line here. You have a line here. You actually have a big line here. That goes too far out. You can draw this line down too. Right here, you draw this line. See this? So you have a connecting point. That means there's still, looks like more upside on this. You get the daily. All right, you see the big drop, 140, all the way down like to 20 cents Where'd this go? 18 cents. And like I said in the previous stocks, the June move was sort of that stock market move. Remember, we went up in June, that big ramp up, then we consolidated for what? July, August, September. But not all the stocks. Some did bounce. Getting the same type of move here. Yeah, you have big volume here. Something tells me it's up in the market. Like something's going to happen. Like we're going down further. More volatility. The VIX increased. But again, here, you could have got this for what? 21 cents, or what was the low here? And then it bounced. What's the volume on this? 1 million. It was just pretty flat volume. Then went up. Look at this. Each 5 cents, 25, 30, 35, 60 cents. And then this nice pullback right here was really good. From here, and see how it hugs that 20 line? It went up below. But each stair step, see this? Stair step, stair step. And then we exploded up that day before. Was that Thursday? Indecision on Friday. Back and forth. Lower volume. See how that touched that 13 EMA? Look at that. It like kissed it pretty much. It's like a golf shot. Kissed and went back up. So we're caught in between here. You want this to stay over 60 though, because look where the line is. Pretty much 60 now. Although, there's a line here, 63. You could do a line here, 64. And you can see this though. That's I call it the S move, the snake move, the dip line up, down, up, down, up. See? So you could fall back again to this 50 cents and bounce up. So look for that. If you stay above 60, it's even stronger. And then you have moves right here now. The 70, look at this like dollar zone. The dollar zone is very big. Remember penny stocks? Penny stocks, the dollar area is one of the most important levels, because stocks are coming from a quarter, 50 cents. They're trying to get to eventually $1. If they break the dollar, they have a chance to stay over $1. So there it is. We'll see what happens with this. This looks very interesting. The good part is, see that volume went lower on the next day. That means, that higher volume, the bulls were have control on that. So they took it down a little bit, but it wasn't high volume, negative red bar there. So that's always good. All right, so that's it for these around the stocks. Let's see here. Just looking at my charts here. All right, please subscribe to Mike Cannon Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. It helps the algos. TradeIdeas.com referral, my link. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrank. Instagram, MikeFrank98. StockTwits, Mike Cannon Trades. And that's it. Till the next video.